Okay, hello everybody, and today we're gonna solve this differential equation. It says y prime equals negative y over x plus y cubed, and we have the initial condition that y of 1 equals half. So first of all, I'm going to move this y over x to the other side, and simultaneously I'm going to divide by y cubed. So we get y to the negative 3 y prime plus y to the negative 2 over x will be equal to 1. And now there's a very nice substitution we can make. We can let u be equal to y to the negative 2, because if we differentiate this, we get negative 2 y to the negative 3 y prime, and this factor is exactly what we have up here. And so we can divide by negative 2, and we see that this will be negative half u prime. And of course, y to the negative 2 is equal to u, so we get plus u over x equals 1. And now this is quite nice. We can multiply by the reciprocal of this. We get that u prime minus 2u over x will be equal to negative 2. And this is a differential equation of a familiar form, and we can use the integration factor. In case you don't know what it is, it will be clear in a moment what we're going to do. But it's a nice systematic way of doing a certain trick. So the integration factor will be e to the integral, e to the power of the integral of negative 2 over x dx, which becomes e to the negative 2 ln x, which equals x to the negative 2. So that's going to be our integration factor. So now we multiply this equation by x to the negative 2. So we get u prime x to the negative 2 minus 2 x to the negative 3u, and this will be equal to negative 2 x to the negative 2. So now we see that this is this looks like if the product rule was carried out on some function, and it's quite easy to figure out what the function was. It was u times x to the negative 2. And well, you can work this out and you see exactly that you'll get this thing. And that's what this integration factor is doing. It's a factor you can multiply, so you can factor this left hand side as something where the product rule is applied on. And here we had negative 2 x to the power of negative 2. Now we can integrate both sides with respect to x. Here we get u x to the negative 2. Here we get 2x to the negative 1 plus a constant of integration, of course. And then we multiply by x to the 2 on both sides to get that u is equal to 2x plus c times x squared. And then remember that u was equal to y to the negative 2. So we get that y equals 1 over the square root of 2x plus c times x squared. And then to determine the value of c, remember that we had this initial condition y of 1 equals half. We can plug 1 in. We see half equals y of 1, which becomes 1 over this square root. This is just 2. This is c. And of course we can reciprocate both sides, then square both sides, and 2 is non-negative, so everything will work out, and we'll see that c is equal to 2. So all in all, we find that our function y was equal to 1 over the square root of 2x plus 2 x squared. And of course you can check this function in the differential equation, and you'll see that it is true. So we're not going to do it right here. You can do it for yourself. It's a nice exercise. So that's it for now, and I wish you guys all a lot of math.